Statistical Investigation by Luke Caruso. For the investigation, I wanted to find out how many hours sleep do Year 7 females usually get on a school night compared to Year 10 females. The data was collected from the 2014 ABS Census at School random sampler. As the investigation is aimed for beginners, the sample size was kept small to be easier to work with. The data was received in an Excel spreadsheet and recorded by year level and hours of sleep. The Year 7 females were listed first and the Year 10s were following underneath. The sample size was 20 Year 7s and 20 Year 10s, but after cleaning the data, 15 Year 7s and 17 Year 10 females were left. First to represent the data was the dot plot. The dot plot was not the best way to represent the data. In this dot plot, the x-axis contains the hours of sleep and the y-axis shows the frequency. The corresponding dots represent the Year 7 or Year 10 females. The double column graph was a great way to represent the data. It displayed the Year 7 and Year 10 data side by side in contrasted colours, making the results clearly evident. It shows a standout within the data, showing that the Year 7 females sleep for 10 hours more than twice as much as Year 10 females. The sector graphs were another great way to represent the data. The two sector graphs show the results for the Year 7 females next to the results of the Year 10 females, making them clear to compare. The stem and leaf plot allowed me to see a visual representation of the data and see where most of the data lies. Considering the sample size was so small and that the answers were rounded up to the nearest hour, I believe the stem and leaf plot is not effective for this investigation. However, with a larger sample size, I believe the stem and leaf plot would be a great way to represent the data. The mean, median, mode were calculated using formulas in Excel, and the range is simply subtracting the lowest number from the largest number. The mean is the average of the hours of sleep, therefore shows the Year 7s have a high average of sleep. The median is the middle value. The mode is the most frequently occurring number, which shows the Year 7s have a higher mode, which is why their average is higher. And the range is the difference of the lowest and highest values.
Created using Powtoon.